Welcome to Redentech Genopedia.
Let's explore the growing global impact of Indian women. Question number 1. Who became the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals in badminton? Options are A. P.V. Sindhu, B. Saina Nehwal. Correct answer is A. P.V. Sindhu. Question number 2. Who became the first Indian woman to chair a leading global IT services company, HCL Technologies, in 2020? Options are A. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, B. Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Correct answer is B. Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Question number 3. The first Indian-born woman to travel to space, her journey from a small town in Haryana to the stars serves as an inspiration to all aspiring astronauts. Options are A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sunita Williams. Correct answer is A. Kalpana Chawla. Question number 4. She is a business executive and former CEO of Pepsi Company. In 2018, she was named as one of the best CEOs in the world and has also been awarded the Padma Bhushan and the CNNIBM Indian of the Year Global Indian Award 2019. Options are A. Leena Nair, B. Indra Nooyi. Correct answer is B. Indra Nooyi. Question number 5. Who became the first Indian woman to be a member of the International Olympics Committee in 2016? Options are A. Neeta Ambani, B. P.T. Usha. Correct answer is A. Neeta Ambani. Question number 6. The founder of Biocon, she transformed Biocon into a leading global biopharmaceutical company. Options are A. Arundhati Bhattacharya, B. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Correct answer is B. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Question number 7. She is also the only woman boxer to have won a medal in all 7 world championships, making it a world record. Options are A. Sarita Devi, B. Mary Kom. Correct answer is B. Mary Kom. Question number 8. The founder of Nykaa, who has transformed the country's online beauty and cosmetics retail space. Options are A. Falguni Nair, B. Vineta Singh. Correct answer is A. Falguni Nair. Question number 9. Which Indian woman scientist played a key role in the development of India's COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin? Options are A. Dr. Gagandeep Kang, B. Dr. Priya Abraham. Correct answer is B. Dr. Priya Abraham. Question number 10. Who is the first female South Asian Vice President of the United States? Options are A. Kamala Harris, B. Akshata Murthy. Correct answer is A. Kamala Harris. Question number 11. She is a Harvard economist who became the first Indian woman to assume the position of chief economist at IMF, the International Monetary Fund. Options are A. Geeta Gopinath, B. Nirmala Sitharaman. Correct answer is A. Geeta Gopinath. Question number 12. Who was the first woman to win the Booker Prize? Options are A. Arundhati Roy, B. Kiran Desai. Correct answer is A. Arundhati Roy. Question number 13. Who was the project director for India's Chandrayaan-2 mission? Options are A. Dr. Swati Mohan, B. Dr. Vanitha Muthia. Correct answer is B. Dr. Vanitha Muthia. Question number 14. She is the first woman who made India proud to head an Indian missile project, with the successful launch of the Agniveer missile project. Options are A. Tessie Thomas, B. Dr. Meenal Sampath. Correct answer is A. Tessie Thomas.
Thank you for watching this video. If you likes the video, please subscribe, like, share, comments.